Oh my God! Why is a hamster sleeping in my lunchbox?
Where did all my food go? Oh my God! Your lunch is a hamster? That is really terrible. No, I do not know why. I do not know why it is here. I need to find my sister now. That was a really good lunch today. Hey, your brother is looking for you. My little brother is looking for me? What happened? Why are you looking for me? Did you not eat your lunch? Look, your pet hamster caused trouble again. Now all my lunch is gone. Oh my God, why is my hamster here? What happened? How did this happen? Maybe it ate all my lunch today. Now I am hungry with nothing left. But I already ate my lunch today. See? My lunchbox is completely empty. What? How did you eat that fast? Then what am I supposed to eat? I think we should call Mom now.
Oh, Lucy is calling me now.
Mom, we have a small problem.
What? Your hamster ate his lunch? Now your brother has nothing to eat?
It's okay. Please wait a little longer. Mom and Dad will bring food soon.
Hurry up! We need to leave now. We must bring lunch to our son.
What happened? How did this happen? We made plenty of food last night.
Mom and Dad, you are finally here. I am so hungry right now. Wow, this lunch looks so good.
We packed lunch for both of you. Everything was ready last night.
Both lunch boxes are almost ready now.
The kids will love this tomorrow.
Wait, let me check our cameras.
Wow, those lunch boxes look really good. Maybe I can eat just a little.
Then something unexpected happened that night. A few moments later, his sister arrived. Suddenly, he heard someone coming closer.
Why are you still awake right now?
He quickly hid the lunchbox under the table.
Meanwhile, the hamster found the lunchbox.
I'm just drinking water. Go to bed now. No sneaking snacks. We have to get up early tomorrow. Okay, I will go to sleep right now.
Good night. Do not stay up late.
Please stay quiet and do not move.
This food is really delicious.
Now I know who ate the food.
Last night, I ate a little food. Why did you not check your lunchbox? Wake up now, we are late! No, it is still early. Let me sleep more. Pack your bag, clothes, and lunch, or you will be late. I only need 5 minutes to get ready. I should check my lunch first.
Good, everything is still here.
Now my lunch is safe. Oh no! I overslept! I am going to be late. I do not have time to check. Did you check everything before leaving? Okay, sis. Do not worry about me.
And this happened because you rushed everything.
Okay, I will be more careful next time. Where is Mom? She came here with you.
I do not know. She said she needed to meet a teacher.
Oh my God! Why is Mom meeting my teacher?
What happened? What happened? Did you cause some trouble? Thank you, teacher. I will remind my son to study more carefully. You have not studied seriously. Why?
Sorry, Mom. I kept thinking about the camping trip and forgot about studying.
Okay, I forgive you this time, but you must study seriously from now on.
And you must be more careful and stop being careless.